and you can enable now. Hi guys, welcome to channel. In this quick I'm gonna show you how you can stop autoplay video on your Instagram. So how you can do, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Instagram application. I'm gonna open it my Instagram, and then you can simply click here on your profile. You can simply click here on your profile, and then you can simply click here on three lines, and then you can simply click here on settings. Here you can simply click here on account. See the cellular that I use, you can click on it, and then you can simply click here on data server and you can enable now. And after doing the settings, video cannot autoplay on your Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you got any question about this tutorial, so you can drop a comment section, I will able answering you.